you. I like being an engineer. I thought I had I thought I had I had figured out everything, but market had other plans as well. Found this Big C. Like it was pay after placement, and placement will be get placed within a month of joining. And it's really true. Remember the interview I had with the IDFC First Bank. Like I was able to speak with conviction and poise, like thanks to the skills I earned at BYGC. I'm very much thrilled to share my journey with you. I like being an engineer. I thought I had I had figured out everything, but market had other plans as well for me. Then I find myself at crossroads, like eager to explore new opportunities. Then I was just searching, like I was eager to start my career from a bank. I was just searching. I just found this Big C. Like it was pay after placement, and placement will be get placed within a month of joining. And it's really true. I joined in July, and I was placed around August end, August end, with September first week I was placed. And for cracking interviews as well, Big C helped me a lot. Like the knowledge I gained about salary accounts, credit cards, loans, insurance, the modules helped me a lot. See, the module says we have to score 80, above 80% to qualify for the next module. The same is prescribed in the bank as well. As we join, they make us to do a course, and it also prescribes the same. If we score 80% here, here, it is easier to score 80% at banks and complete our modules there as well. And the guidance not only boosted my confidence but also prepared me for the real world as well. I still remember the interview I had with the IDFC First Bank. Like I was able to speak with conviction and poise, like thanks to the skills I earned at BYGC. And the guidance, everything given by the mentors, the knowledge, and how to prepare for an interview. As I said, I joined in June, and I completed weekly 2 to 3 classes was there from live online classes was there from Big C. Apart from that, we have to complete our modules. If there's any doubt, at any time, Suhasini ma'am was there to help us with the clarification and how to answer everything. Everybody, I literally messaged ma'am around around 10 or 6 at any time. Ma'am used to reply, and she used to clear the doubts. And yes, we had as said, we'll be having backup if there's any doubt in our work culture, or how to pitch a sale. If there's any doubt, they are very much open. In like at any time, at any time we can ask them. Like as we are seeing, there is so much of recession going on. If we are planning to join a bank, like the recession problem will be solved, and the growth will be faster compared to the IT sector. In banking, the growth will be faster. Well, like within 6 to 7 months, will be there'll be promotions. We'll be getting incentives as well as we complete our targets. And incentives not only motivates us to complete our targets, it motivates us to work efficiently as well. So for these are the reasons I just decided to join a bank. I always wanted to start my career from a bank. How to talk to a customer. We have to have a very good knowledge on the product which we are talking about to the customer. Then not that much challenges I faced. It is just 1.5 months I have been joined, and it is really going good. Now I have started to pitch some products, like how to open an account, to talk to the customer, like how to get a how to get a business from a customer, And yes, I'm very much grateful for the opportunities to start anew and for the people who believed in me and to the mentors at BYGC. Thank you for seeing me, like seeing potential in me and helping me to unlock it. It was so much like everybody, there's a backup, encouraging that you can do, you will do. It was a very good journey with at BYGC. Sales is not only about targets and pressure we get. It's greater than that. It is selling of our bank's product to the customers, like giving them the benefits. There are many benefits across all the banks. Yes, giving them the benefits and like reaching our targets. Firstly, I did not face that issue. First went for the interview. I felt very much welcomed by the organization. Like they explained me, this is how the work culture will be. And they took 2 rounds of interview, and they just asked like how are you comfortable to, like how much comfortable to commute through buses and metros, like you are having a two-wheeler license, or know to drive a two-wheeler. Everything was asked. I said yes, I was like I am comfortable to commute through bus or metro. And they said like this is how the work culture will be. If you are very much comfortable, you can join us. So my interview went really well, and luckily they gave me some time to think. No, I like luckily I was very much supported by my family, ma'am. That I'll get to know more things about more things about I'll get to know the knowledge about the banking, and we will interact with so many people. As of now, the bank is supporting me, ma'am. Like they are giving me the data, and for the corporates as well, they are giving the corporates. We have to just go to the HR, talk about to open an accounts. Like there will be many activities going on in the corporates. We'll go there. We'll explain them the benefits which our bank is offering, and through that, our so as you said, social circle is also expanding. Yes, that is very much true, ma'am. Like if we call 20 persons, we should first make up our mind. There will be some rejections. Only some people will accept and agree. So first we have to make up our mind. Like no, like whoever the person we calls, uh, they will not agree to accept the offer we are offering them. So firstly, we have to make our mind. This is our job and we have to do. Nearly like in a day, sometimes nearly 200 people we have to call to 5 accounts as well. But we cannot come down. Oh, we are not getting any accounts. I will not call. That shouldn't happen. Keep trying. Like the number we call, oh, we have to keep trying. I think this will happen. This number this customer will accept the offer. So we should not let ourselves down, and we should keep trying. Firstly, yeah, as I said, the first day I went, I felt like, oh, what is this? Nobody is talking properly. Like I'm not getting any social connection or something. I felt as progressing. Now I've completed 3 weeks. Now I'm very much happy. Social connection has been improved. My team, like I'm very much happy with the team. It's very good. Firstly, we feel as such, but moving on will be our day starts from 9:30. Like we'll mark our attendance. Our manager will call up for a meeting. Then manager says that these are the targets you have to finish today, and this is the data you're getting today. You have to work on it. We'll be work. I'll be like we'll start to work from that. As of now, I have visited only one corporate. Now I have been given only credit card callings from 9:30 till 6:30. I am having a job of like credit card callings. Then half a day I'll visit the corporate with my teammate and how to open an account there. Like we have been given a tab for online account opening as well. We can go to the customers personally and open the accounts. This will be my day. Like I would urge and encourage each one of you to make most of the courses, like content and guidance that's available at almost all the time from Big C. The main aim is to convince the customer. That's all. If we convince our customers, our work will be easier and there will be no pressure, and sales job will be easier. We have to give tell about the benefit that is not there in other banks as well, and new add on benefit which has been added new to the card. We have to tell that first, so customer will be little convincing. There are many techniques and strategies as well to learn in the further. Yes, ma'am. Firstly, we'll be carrying like a control sheet as well, and the physical forms as well, where the photo has to be pasted, name, their Aadhaar card number, PAN number. That is different. Here, we do everything in the tab. There will be a portal. We'll go to that portal. Like open an account. There will be an icon. We'll click on that. Like they'll ask for the customer details, name, PAN number, and scanned PAN copy and scanned Aadhaar card copy. Everything will be there. We'll be carrying our kits as well. And as we open the accounts, we'll be handing over the kit to the customer. That is the welcome kit to the customer. It will be containing customer number, account number, and a card. So this is how we will open an accounts in the corporates. After we have to fill the customer ID and account number in a form. Then we have to give it to the another department. There they will enter all the details and the customer details will be updated. And we have to create a lead. Like for example, corporate salary Bangalore. Like there will be some options like hot, cold. Like we'll be having a link and the employee ID will be there. Through that we can upload everything and it will get accounted to our employee ID, that how many accounts have been opened through this from this employee. Not that much difficult, ma'am. Yeah, but it is crucial. To start with, it is a crucial. After starting once, building a relationship with the customer, then it is easier to communicate. Building a trust, as you said, ma'am, building a trust is very much crucial. Like we have to stand on our words. Yes, ma'am. There are two types, like the pressure which is coming from the manager, and or else we are taking the pressure by ourselves and completing the work. So that is little easier. Like first we have to set the target, ma'am. Today we'll complete these many credit cards or these many accounts. So if we set the limit by ourselves, it will be easier. At least not if we are setting to 6, at least 5 if we accomplish, it will be little easier for next day's work. And rather than pressurizing from the higher authority, it is easier to pressurize ourselves and do the work. Obviously, there will be some pressure, but if we plan and complete the work on a daily basis, the pressure will be little less. It is based on ourselves, how we take and how we accomplish it. Yes, whenever we are getting some time, it is better to accomplish a little work which is assigned. So the burden will be little lesser for the next day. So we can accomplish little more things on the day, on the next day, which is assigned. Yeah, if we go on a drive, the whole day is gone.
Yeah.
So we cannot focus on the other things.
Correct.
Like insurance, loans, or credit cards. So whenever there is little time, so it is better to search for a work and accomplish as much early as possible. Not remove actually, but we have to accomplish our work. They will there will be given some time, like for continuous 3 months they are not performing well, they'll be put up in a performance improvement plan. All
PIP
that plans are there. Directly they cannot remove a employee.
employee.
For first 2 months there will be no targets as well.
Yeah,
Just
IDFC
we
has.
have to accomplish the work given to us. So yeah, within 2 months we will also be getting, like we will also be settled with the work culture and the like system how it works. So from third month we'll also be able to accomplish the targets as well. So there is no such thing like they will not remove. There will be internal job postings as well. 6 to 7 within 6 to 7 months the promotions will be happening compared to all the other sector. In this,
Mhm.
the growth is little higher.